We gather today to remember and to honor with deepest thanks the commitment and sacrifice of the healthcare workers we lost to COVID-19. This monument, a structure made of concrete and of steel, stands as an enduring symbol of their dedication, but also of their bravery in service to the people of Jamaica. These men and women, our healthcare heroes, all put their lives on the line, pushing through the fear and through the uncertainty to preserve health and to save the lives of others. Each name etched on gold plates and mounted on porcelain tiles represents a life of service. These were doctors, nurses, male attendants, patient care assistants, mental health officers, cooks, midwives, cashiers, all healthcare workers who put service above self and who made the ultimate sacrifice. It is my hope that this place can be one where reflection happens, where we are reminded to be grateful, and where we recommit ourselves to realizing a better future in public health for all, at all ages. Further, and perhaps most importantly, I trust that it can be a place where the heroes we lost are always remembered and their sacrifices always honored.
There can be miracles when you believe. Though hope is frail, it's hard to give. Who knows what miracles you can achieve when you believe, somehow you will. You will when you believe.
I believe it is fitting that the monument is placed at the National Chest Hospital, a hospital that has responded to the call in several epidemics, and therefore is not just a remembrance of those who died during COVID, but a symbol of the responsiveness and resiliency of this facility and its staff. On behalf of the Ministry of Health and Wellness, I extend sincere appreciation to everyone who has made this event possible.
This monument represents the courage, dedication, and sacrifice of the healthcare workers who stood on the front lines during one of the most challenging periods in our nation's recent history. When COVID-19 reached our shores 5 years ago, bringing uncertainty and fear, it was our doctors, nurses, patient care assistants, hospital attendants, technicians, support staff, and other healthcare professionals who rose to the occasion. In the face of overwhelming odds, they put their duty above their fears, their patients above their own well-being, and in doing so, they saved countless lives. Today, we pay tribute not just to their service, but to their selfless sacrifice and unwavering dedication. We honor those who did not return home to their families, those who gave their last measure of devotion in the line of duty, those whose names are now etched on this monument so that generations to come will remember their heroism. Let us also commit to upholding the values these healthcare workers have embodied: care, compassion, resilience, and unity. May their souls of our dearly departed heroes and heroines rest in peace, knowing that they will always be honored in the heart of the nation.
You will when